Want to know how to enable picture-in-picture mode in YouTube on your PC? It is a hidden feature built right into your browser. So open the YouTube video you want to play in the background. Then right click anywhere on the video. So just right click on it. You will see the standard YouTube menu. Ignore it. Keep your mouse perfectly still and right click a second time. Click picture in picture mode. So here you can see, just click picture in picture mode. The video will instantly pop out into a mini player. You can switch tab. So let me just show you. Here you can see that I am playing it. So you can switch to other tabs if you wish. All right. So let me just show you. So here you can see that I can browse my like Chrome here. You can also like watch this video and follow the instruction in your Windows desktop and do everything else in any other software. You can minimize it. You can also like here go back to the tab, or you can also close it. So you can also like enable the subtitle here if you need. You can pause like here is go back. If this quick fix helped you out, drop a like on the video and let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial for Android and iPhone needs. If you want to keep optimizing your PC, then I have a video on how to play YouTube video with screen off on your Android, or you can also check out to know how to clear your Windows 11 cache and free up to 100 GB. I'm Mesh from TechMesh and I'm signing off.